Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about my new hair serum from Sephora. I bought this serum because in the last period I struggled with hair loss, and I want to try different methods just to make my hair healthy and not to lose this amount of hair. So this serum has biotin and phytoproteins that so I start using this. I have already 1 week and you have to use it every night on your scalp. I didn't notice that my scalp is greasier than usual, but on the first day usually I have to wash my hair. So this bottle has 30 milliliters and it is made in France. It is easier just to use it with this pump. It has a light weight, just like water, and it didn't smell, it didn't feel anything on your scalp. But I have noticed that my hair isn't falling so much. Before our vacation I was using 2 or 3 times rosemary water, and I have done some mask. So in this trip I bought an onion oil. I already use it on my scalp once, and I want to use it more because you have to put on your scalp and massage for 20 minutes and just let on your scalp for an hour, maybe 2. And in my vacation I didn't have so much time. But with rosemary water and that oil and this type of hair serum, I will succeed to maintain my hair healthy and just to improve my my scalp health. So if you struggle with hair loss, I highly recommend this serum because it is easier to apply, and it has a cheap price. You can find it on Sephora online or in a store. And for rosemary water I will post a video soon just to show you how I do my rosemary water. And also I was doing some rosemary with apple cider vinegar. I mix plant of rosemary, raw plant of rosemary with apple cider vinegar from soy, and I just let on my fridge for 2 weeks. I have to let sit. Already has 1 week and a half, something like this. But when I go home I will dilute my concentration, and I will use on my scalp on the rinse water. I am more on the natural remedies to my hair because I see that with some products that aren't professional but aren't natural, my hair tends to be more dry and not to make more effects on my hair. So I like the Joico 4 treatment, and I will use from time to time, but I want to try more natural remedies. So I have rosemary oil and mint oil from essential oils from doTERRA, and I will put some drops in my mask on my scalp just to see how it works. Because guys, rosemary oil have almost the same effect like minoxidil, an artificial substance that studies prove that you can stop the hair loss, but it has side effect and it isn't natural. So I want to go more on the natural side. I want to try K18 mask because I was using in the past and I have great result, but then I didn't have bleached hair. So now I want to give it a try. I will use natural remedies, but also some professional product like Joico and K18. Olaplex number 3. is also a great solution for damaged bleached hair, but I was using in the past, and I was reading some good reviews on K18. Especially you will have to use only 4 minutes, and after you just rinse off, and you will have improvement of the hair since the first use. So I will start using the next week, and I will keep you updated for what my K18 do on my hair in a future video. So guys, thank you very much for watching my video. If you struggle with damaged hair and hair loss, you can find some good information and useful advices in this video, just to give it a try to the natural remedies and essential oils, and also on that professional product that I mentioned. I will insert the link of the production in the description down below, and I will see you in my next one. Till next video, bye bye guys.